Why aren't educated people wealthy? A 4-step formula for choosing a high-income career. I'm highly educated, but my income isn't that high. Remember that friend who never studied in class and now is making money hand over fist? If your life story sounds the same, watch this video until the end. The answer is simple. A high-income career depends on 4 things, and none of those 4 is education. I'm not going to talk about passion or talent or any of that. This is a completely new perspective. The 4 pillars of a high-income career are these: direction, demand, advantage, revenue model. Now let's break them down one by one. Direction. Someone who has a high-income career has a clear and precise direction. They're not just sweating on a treadmill. Working yourself to exhaustion from morning till night without a clear target equals financial failure in your career. Demand. Someone who has a high-income career has customers. If you love something, love alone is absolutely not enough. The market is ruthless. You have to be realistic. You must pay attention to market demand. Advantage. Someone who has a high-income career knows how to do one thing much better than everyone else. Average skill is not enough. If you're aiming for a high-income career, you must be exceptional, even unbeatable, at least in one area. Revenue model. Someone with a high-income career has learned how to create sustainable income. Even if you have the right direction, market demand, and top-notch skills, ignoring the revenue model can ruin everything. What's the ideal situation? Somewhere in the middle of the chart. I'll explain the red zones next. So, what should we do? First, we need to diagnose the problem, then I'll give the solution. I'll go over the 4 red zone situations. Read carefully, see which one fits you, and to get the solution, just comment the number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Situation 1. The isolated genius. This is someone who is a master at one skill but has no customers. They have direction plus advantage, but the rest? No. They know what they like and their skill is high, but they still haven't reached the income they need. If this fits your situation, comment 1. Situation 2. The burned out. They have passion and their income isn't bad. They have direction plus demand, but the rest? No. They work a lot, even with only moderate interest, and make just enough to get by. If this fits your situation, comment 2. Situation 3. Replaceable. They earn well, but they're not top tier yet, so if a competitor appears offering a lower price, they'll be pushed out of the market. Job security? None. If this fits your situation, comment 3. 4. We call it the golden cage. It's someone who earns really good money, but isn't satisfied. Their heart isn't at peace. They always feel like something is missing. A lot of people would love to be in their position, but they wouldn't. If this is your situation, type 4 in the comments. Preventing red zone situations. Next time you want to start a business or choose a career, answer these questions first. Direction, does it align with my values? Demand, will people actually pay for it? Advantage, do I have something unique to offer? Revenue model long-term. Is it profitable over time? If this perspective on money is new to you, follow the channel. Here, we'll analyze our financial decisions more scientifically, not emotionally. See you soon.